وقت بنعمل خلاص. If you guys don't know something, it's what's today's date? August 5. What is August 5? It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Oh. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Today I'm narrate the day for you, so don't come for me. Shout out to Chad Tepper. Anyway, today what happened is, while I woke up, I went to the beach. Roll the clip. Okay, so right here I was just talking about my vlog and how I'm gonna start my vlog right over here on the beach, and I'll have my birthday on the beach. If you guys hear me bumping a lot of curd, you just gotta sit through me, and we're just gonna come more montage in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I'm just getting montages later, but here I'll show you guys that my arm is hurt celebrating my birthday on the beach. One right after that I saw my friend, but right now I'm literally sitting in the floor of my hotel room recording this montage. Sorry, because we were the montage 3, 2, 1, go.
Before we make a change and go our separate ways. Hey, fighting all day, yelling all night, hear it in the hallway. She said, you'll be laughing till you cry. Yeah, that's what they all say. I'm about to go missing, thinking how the heck I got myself in this position. Always got an attitude, never showing gratitude.
If you can hear me, I'm in the Arab side. I'm at the Pittsburgh Beach and it's lit everything in video, yo. Guys, look, our boat is so huge, and then we got this tiny boat. Look at this. Oh, and guys, by the way, today today's my birthday, guys. Celebrating it. But what's better than celebrating your birthday on a vacation with your family on a boat? Okay, birthday. If you guys check my Instagram, my YouTube, if you guys check my YouTube, you'll see that anyone there's my post notifications on, and then comment down below when it's done. We'll get a shout out. Baby. Hey, I'm back. And right after that, I actually went down to the mall. I bought a lot of stuff. I bought my birthday. I bought stuff like for games. I bought a Jenga. For me and my bro just played, and here it is. All my room's a mess. Don't worry. Don't come for me. I lost. I said I beat my bro, and that's to get that hit out the way. I bought a Jenga, and a box that was new. I'm gonna be unboxing at the end of the video. But what happened right after that? There was air from underground that flew me out to the air. So roll the clip. Guys, let's do it now. Oh, you're still here? Oh, hello. Anyways, it's still like, what's the time? The time is, ran out of charge. The time is, I'm checking the iPhone. 5:59. I got tripped. 5:09 p.m., 6 p.m. Time is 6 p.m. here in Turkey. Turkey or mortadella. 6 p.m. here in Turkey. No offense to Turkish people. Shout out to all my Turkish minis. So 6 p.m. So one day, so 6 hours. I gotta wait 365 more days to get to my. How much is my bad? 365 more days to get my birthday again. To love the video. Can we smash 10 likes? Or can I get at least 5 likes? Can we get 10 subscribers on my channel too? We'll see. Maybe we'll get it on this channel. Who knows? Maybe a normal medium channel. Who knows? What happens next? I'm gonna still put it at the end. I'm gonna narrate for you at the end. But till now, let's unbox this. The new JBL Sperry. How do you open this? Give me 1 second. Oh, how do you fall? Someone just called me. So let's put my camera here. Okay. Where? Here it is. How am I gonna unbox it? Probably that's my bed. How am I gonna unbox it? Oh, okay. Let's use this for the iron. I opened it! Now let me open it for you guys. Wow. No. No way. Well. Here it is. Oh yeah. That is great, baby. That is super awesome, but I haven't quite worked out how to open this yet. Oh, they tied it broke. Like, why tie it broke? Wow. I'll be back. 1 minute and 37 seconds later. 1 minute later, 1 minute later. Okay, I'll figure something out because I'm so dumb. On the back, we have to untie it. And I'm done with untying it. What the hell? Now, how do you untie? Okay, I'm done with this. Now, let me untie this one. And I am done with this. Wow. Absolutely wow. This is stuck. And wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, wow. Wow. And it's comfortable too. It is so comfortable. Oh my god. So comfortable. Baby. It's great. It's great. It's great. It's great. Oh my god. I'm wasting time so I can figure out how to open it. Now I can sleep without you telling me to shut the hell up. My brother's right over there, so he'll tell I watch YouTubers before I sleep, and he sleeps so early, so he told me to shut the hell up. So I want to sleep without him hearing anything. So, oh, now you're speak. Look, this mic will be great. And 3, 2, 1. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Now I can like perform Silver Shade live for you guys like this. By the way, if you're wondering why I deleted Silver Shade, end the video. So, let's do that there. Okay, stop copying. Let's go with the song. Yeah. Let's record. My brother wants to tell me something. I don't want to go to be shot on the camera because if you talk right now, your voice won't be in the camera because I'm talking about detail. Okay, you can hear me right now. Okay, you can hear me. Anyway, let's go. Pour my Silver Shade. Silver Shade, it makes me go yippee-yi-yay. Silver Shade, it makes me go yippee-yi-yay. So shiny and bright, I gotta go and fly. Wait, it's time to get alive. Loki Savage. Loki Savage. Loki Savage. Loki Savage. Music videos come out. Go. God, this is so dope. Like, I could do great shots of music videos on this. I could do great videos on this. Great vlogs. I could get mini episodes too. All great content. And guys, I might actually start talking to Lamp. Hold up. What's up, Lamp? Hey. Hey, Lamp. Can you please talk to me? Why? boring. It's not ugly. Don't mess with them. Okay, bye. Bye. Let's open my Windows balcony. I mean, my room's window. What do I mean by my Windows balcony? And look at his view. That's not so cool. Forget about the view. Hey, dude. Hey. Hi. Okay, he can't hear me. Hi. Okay, here. Hi. Oh, hey guys. Here's where we go. See people in their rooms. Imagine if you fall down there. Wait a second. Imagine if you fall. Oh, their window's open. They might come out and talk to me. Oh, he's coming towards me. He's coming and now he left. Oh my. This is why I deleted my channel. I'm just playing, y'all. I didn't look at my channel. This is why I deleted Silver Shade. I was just playing, y'all. I deleted Silver Shade out on Mini Adam Solar and posted it on Mini Adam Solar 2. Like, subscribe, get the merch. Always plug. Merch link in bio. I'll see you in the next video. And peace.